Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm making a review on some nail polishes I got from AliExpress. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I was browsing on AliExpress and I came across this nail polish store, which is the Hot Sales store. It doesn't really have a distinct interesting name. Now I found the set of nail polish and it had 36 colored nail polishes inside. It also had 4 extra top coats and 4 base coats. So let's see how they really are. So these are the 4 base coats and these are the top coats. So as you can see, they don't have the colors written on them, or they have not, indicated the colors on the bottles. They've got, just numbers. So it's going to be difficult for you to figure out which is which. Let's go ahead and try them. I'll be trying 9 at a time. So this video is going to be in parts. This is color 1. This looks like a nude kind of color. It's like a nude brown. I'll go ahead and give it the first coat. Then the second. And the top coat. This is what I'll do to all the colors. This is how I'll paint them. First coat, second coat, and top coat. This is color 2. And it looks pinkish. This is like a light pink. Color 3, this looks like a purple, kind of a light purple. Four. This looks like a dark pink. It looks like fuchsia. Color 5. My favorite, this looks like, a light blue or sky blue. Color 6 is a translucent yellow. Color 7 kind of looks like the fuchsia I did before. As you can see, it's another shade of pink, a dark pink. We've got color 8. I think this is supposed to be red. This looks dark purplish or wine kind of. So these are the first 9 colors. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Don't you like them? I personally think the consistency, is too watery and you need lots of, passes to get the colors to be vivid. It's kind of a cheapie, but hey, it's okay for the price. It's manageable. Let me know your favorite color out of these 9 colors. I will definitely see you in the next one. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.